Hello everybody, I have this MySmile powder here. This has been great, it has a nice minty flavor. And it's just this powder that you put on your toothpaste, brush your teeth like normal, and it gets out those coffee, wine stains, those natural stains like tea and things like that. I drink coffee every morning, so I like to use this. Now it says you can use it in place of a normal toothpaste. I still use both, so I'll use toothpaste like at night and then use something like this in the morning. And of course, if you want to maximize your teeth whitening, you can also get, white strips or other products as well. So I use all three, this, white strips, and also toothpaste. So the ingredients in these is going to be different than, say, white strips. This is gonna be a natural way to get off stains off of your teeth. And then if you really wanna get that whiter color, you want to mix it with like a teeth whitening strips. So I think it's good to have both, but this is a great way to really scrape off those stains. So cool little product. It's been working out well for me. So definitely recommend it, guys. Check it out and pick it up for yourself. Tastes great.